Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Crazy Tech Video. And in this video, we will talk about secret sharing on social media, on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you can able to do the secret sharing and no one can able to see and read your messages. And this is going to be really amazing. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Now the first thing which you can do, you have to install and use an application name is Decrypto. Yes, try this application. Simply just open this application and it will be come up like this. This is the interface which you will be getting. Here you have to just simply click on this encrypt and then you will be getting these options here. You have to click on this modern on the top and then click on this binary code. Yes, now instead of sending the messages on WhatsApp, Facebook or anywhere directly, you have to type the message here. First of all, let me just type something here. I'm gonna send a message here, meet me at office. This is a very confidential message which I want that no one can able to read this one except my friend. So I just need to type the message here and then click on this encrypt and this message will comes into this form. See this on the bottom, these all are the numbers comes in. I just have to copy these numbers from the bottom and then I have to go back to my WhatsApp and I have to just paste these numbers and send it to my friend. Now this message is being sent to my friend. Let's suppose if any third person try to read this message, he won't able to understand what is this, what exactly the message is being sent. But your friend must know about this application. He has to just copy this application from here and then he has to install the same application in his phone as well. Same application he has to install. He has to also click on this decrypt, click on the modern again, click on this binary code and then he has to type these numbers here, click on this decrypt and this is the message. See this on the bottom? This is the message that meet me in the office. So this is really amazing to do the secret sharing so no one can able to understand, no one can able to read your messages. Try this, link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second way. What is the second way how you can able to do the secret sharing? For that again you have to go to the Google Chrome here in your phone and instead of typing the message you have to type the message here. Same message you can type it here as well. Let's suppose I'm typing in the same message, meet me in the office. So the same message I'm typing it here, but on this website you will be getting so many other features which you can also use with this message. Here on the bottom you will be getting an option of show option. Click on this. Now there is a best option is self-destruct. This message will automatically get destruct the moment your friend will read this message. After that this message is unreadable. You can simply select any of the options here. I'm going to select the first one and then on the bottom you have to select a password, like any password 1 2 3 4 you can choose, and this password you have to give to your friend as well. To open this message he has to put the password in and then you have to put your email address. The moment your message will get destruct you will be getting a notification in your email. That's it. All these options you will be using in this website. After that you can click on this create note and this website will automatically create a link for you. This is the link which you can copy from here and go back to your WhatsApp like this and then you have to paste it on your WhatsApp and send it to your friend and your friend will open this one. Click on this one and then it will be open up on his browser like this and then he has to put the password and then here it is the messages. See this is the message which he will be getting and he can able to read it, but this message will also get destroyed automatically. The moment I open this message again, this message is not available here. See this, not destroyed, it is being destroyed. So this is also one of the best way to do the secret sharing, so you can try this trick as well. Now let's talk about the third one, and the third one is really amazing. If you're traveling somewhere and you're chatting on your WhatsApp and somebody try to see the name of the person, or maybe your friend or your girlfriend try to see the name of the person to whom you're chatting, that point of time this application really helps you and no one can able to come to know to whom you're chatting right now. For that you have to install an application name is hide chat name. This application you won't be finding on Google Play Store. Link you will be getting in the description. Here what exactly you need to do, you just have to click on this customize first of all and then you have to type a fake name. Let's suppose I'm typing a fake name here, John, and then I save this one. It will look like this on the top. You can see this one. You can also increase and decrease the size of the name and then click on this online, or you can also select the photo here and put the photo as well and then click on this save everything will get saved here. You can come out of this one, click on this start. The moment you click on this start, it will ask you some permission, and then click on this start, and you will be getting an icon on your screen. This one, see this is an icon. You automatically get it there. You come out of this one. Now let's suppose you are chatting with your friend. You are chatting your friend and you are traveling somewhere. Somebody try to see your messages to whom you are chatting right now. And what exactly you can do, you can simply click on this icon here and the name will get hide. Now you see this one, the name has been changed here. Somebody will think that you're talking to John, not with the real one. He will think that you're chatting with John and he won't come to know the real name of the person to whom you are chatting. So this is also a great way to maintain your privacy with others. And the moment you click back again, you will be getting the name back again. See this is the name. So this is an amazing application. You must try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the secret sharing of Facebook Messenger. Yes, the previous setting and the application which I shown you, mostly you can use it on WhatsApp, but this one you can also use it on Facebook as well. This is the Facebook Messenger here. You can see this one. This trick you can only use on Facebook. Now here, first of all, you have to select the chat to whom you want to chat the secret sharing. Here you have to click on this icon which is on the right side of the top, and then you have to select here go to secret conversation. When you click on this one, you will be reaching on this page. Here you can send any message like this. Hi. If I send this message, this is not the secret conversation. For secret conversation, you have to click on this icon which is a timer. Click on this one and then you have to select the timing, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, anything. Whatever the timing you will select, this message will automatically get disappear from your side and from your friend's side after 5 seconds. Yes, so I'm gonna select here 5 seconds here, and then I send this message like this, and you see this one, the timer is on right now, and after 5 seconds this message will automatically get disappear. See this, it is gone, but this is showing the black. The reason is because my friend has not read that message. The moment he will read that message, it will totally disappeared. It won't show it here as well. Not only this, you can also send any emoji, picture, anything you send it here, it will automatically get disappeared after 5 seconds like this. See this, it is gone. So this is an amazing trick which you can also use it on Facebook as well to do the secret conversation on Facebook. This is also one of the best secret trick of Facebook Messenger which everybody use. You should also try this one. This is really amazing. Now let's talk about the last trick, and the last trick is also really amazing. That really helps you if you are traveling somewhere, if you are sitting somewhere. There are so many of people who are looking into your phone and you want to do the secret chatting, or you want to do any personal chatting with anyone, then you can try this application. What exactly this application gonna do? You can able to give a mask to your secret chatting like this. See this, my screen is totally black right now. I can also increase the brightness of this mask. You can click on this icon here and then you will be getting these options. Click on this one and increase the darkness. See this, now if my mask comes in like this, I can scroll it down and scroll it up and no one can able to see my chat. Let me just show you how you can use it. I'm gonna open my WhatsApp here. Let's suppose I'm chatting with someone and I'm traveling somewhere and somebody tried to see my chat. I can just give a mask to my chat like this and send the messages, and the moment I receive the message, I can open it and see the message and then close it like this. See this, it can cover my whole phone right now, and total phone is black right now. So this is also an amazing application if you're traveling, if you're sitting somewhere where people are looking into your phone, or you don't want to show your personal chat to anyone, then you can try this application. And this application, not only you can use it on WhatsApp, you can also use it on your complete phone on any application on anywhere. If I talk about the application name here, this is the name of the application, which is Max Chat Hide WhatsApp Chat. That is really amazing. You should try this application as well. So these are the secret trick where you can able to do the secret chatting on your WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere, and no one can able to disturb you, and no one can able to read your personal messages, personal chat, or anything. So try all of them. Link of all the application I will be putting in the description. Any question related to these applications, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.